We're gonna take off. Go on. Take off. You know you want to. Oh, come on, I'm stuffing about you have to do. Take off. Take off. Take off. Take off. It takes me seconds to take off. Come on, pull back. Hold up. Take off. Fucking take off already. Oh, and you're just wasting fuel like this. And wasting my battery. They don't have to faff around, do they? Probably in there just sitting down, signing all them health and safety forms. Oh, yes, that's health and safety forms, or sitting down, check. Health and safety for looking, check. Health and safety for breathing, check. Health and safety for thinking, check. Health and safety for talking to ourselves while doing this, check. Oh, right, let's go, gentlemen, we can set up now. Health and safety gone mad, I tell you. Funny how on the camera it looks like it's going so slow, like it's actually be lifting up. It's the naked eye, but it's fast. Funny looking, really. Oh, there we are. And off he goes. Slowly. Probably have to do other AA things.